Now today I'm gonna clean my tire for my Nissan Titan. So what I bought or what I'm gonna use. First I'm gonna use this one, wheels and tire. I bought it for $1. They sell it in the 99 cents or Dollar Tree. After I apply this to the tires and rims, I'm gonna clean it off, and then I'm gonna put this for the tire. It's made by Chemical Guys. After that, I bought this for the Chrome Black Magic. In reality, I don't know how this products work, but I know this one that cost me $1 does work. It takes all the grease off, the grease from here. So let's get started. Or the
Grease.
grease. Now you see the tire still not shiny. Now I'm gonna start cleaning the tire. See if it makes a huge difference or if it doesn't work.
Mama, I could go to my party.
It smells good.
Mommy, I could go to my party.
Then we're gonna go to a party tomorrow. It smells so good.
It smells good? I like the smell too.
Yeah, I have a question.
Huh.
What's the video about? How you shine your tires or testing out products?
Both are testing out this product because pretty much I want to find the right products to shine my tire.
Okay.
So for right now, I'm just testing out products, and my first time, your guys' first time seeing this product really work. Then I'm gonna start focusing on cleaning the inside. Wait a little bit. So far, this product, Black Magic, it shines like a mirror. So I like it. Like I can see my reflection. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see my hand reflection on it already. So, and the tires, what I can see right here is drying, but let's wait a few minutes, see how it's gonna look later. Like 5 minutes, and we come back to it. I like the shine of the rim. The tire shine, I thought it was gonna be more shiny, but so far I liked it. You? How do you see it? How do you guys see it? Get close. So the tire, 1 out of 10. Of this, guys, I give them a 9. Black Magic for the chrome rims, I give them a 10. And the last one I used, this one, I give them a 10. From this to that. I feel like it's a big difference using this sprays. Makes the tire, your rims look like brand new. So after seeing this video, please let me know if you want to see other videos like this. Also, let me put down in the comments that you recommend some other products that make it a step more easier or make the tire shinier. Thank you for watching this video.